Hello, welcome to Tisha Spec. So today this is what we're going to be on about. These are called bouncy twists. These are not passion twist, okay? These are bouncy twist, kinky twist. Okay, so I used the expression collection. The brown one didn't the gold didn't come with that. I just kept it there myself. Okay, so I use these two colors because I'm someone that loves colors. I love colors. Colors that go together, okay? I love colors. So I didn't want to add the gold at the tips of the hair. So I started adding the gold from the beginning, right? I hope you understand. Like, I didn't want the tips to be gold. I wanted the whole hair to have a touch of gold. So I added it this way, and I used the gold just some few strands, because I didn't want it so loud, and because this is a loud color, and if I use it too much it's going to be very loud. So to achieve bouncy twist, instead of going to the left like we usually do, like when we start the twist, we start going to the right instead and continue in that manner. I'm sure when you continue watching the video you will understand better, because I did shoot the video in different directions just so you can understand what I'm trying to say. My sister was holding the phone, so I couldn't really see to ascertain whether someone can understand what I was doing, but I just hope you understand when you watch to the end. So one more time, don't start your bouncy twist this way. It's going to turn out very thin. It's not going to bounce. This is the right way to do it. I hope you understand this, because I really want you to be able to learn from this video. You can see I'm using my right hand to slide this hair before I turn it over to the left hand. This helps to give it that smooth look. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope to see you over and over again. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button just so you never miss another one of my videos. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.